Hello, my name is Krešimir Macan and I'm public relations expert, and I'm going to hold a workshop on the future of public relations in this digitalized age. Actually, the future has already been happening to all of us, and one thing that I think that is crucial to understand is that we are heading to new set of skills as a public relations specialists, and that we are getting more and more integrated back to all other aspects of communications. There was a phase where everybody was specialized in first in PR, then digital, and now everything is going back integrated. And where is our strength? We've been ever since storytellers. Our job was always to tell the stories, and this is our advantage in digital age, because we still get to tell the story. We have to find an interesting angle, but we have to also take care of all the other digital knowledge that we have to know. So apart from storytelling skills, public relations skills, we have to embrace all other social networks skills and digital technologies that we have to understand and sometimes and very often do ourselves. So see you at Golden Run.